Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use credits on DoorDash. Alright, let's begin. First, open up the DoorDash app on your mobile device and make sure to sign into your account. Once you've logged into your DoorDash account, get to your Accounts tab from bottom right corner and a bunch of features will be displayed. Now, if you go to your payment method, you'll be able to see your DoorDash credits. So, if you've received a credit from DoorDash for any reason at all, it will be visible here. Mine at the moment is 0 because I don't have any credits from DoorDash. But if you have any credits, then they will be visible here. And to use it, you literally don't have to do anything. What happens is that it will automatically be applied to your account. So whenever you make an order, your DoorDash credit will be automatically added to your order, and then your final amount will be the amount that you need to pay after deducting the credits. So that's basically how you can use credits on DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.